Here's Mr. Kieran. We just got home from daycare. Here's Alex and Marley who came to greet him. Hi, Kieran. Kick, kick, kick. How was your day? Oh yeah, good. What'd you do today? What'd you do today? Huh? No way. What else did you? What is this dada nonsense? Are you looking at the cats and dogs? Kieran? Hi, you. Can we see your blue eyes? Hi. Now you're not going to talk. You're talking up a storm, huh? Kieran Elijah. Kieran Elijah Patel. You're looking at Mommy rub your foot? Yeah. Okay. Let's get out of this popsicle stand.